Hello students, welcome to my channel Anna's tutorial. Today's topic is a report writing. Ahmedabad plane crash by a staff reporter. Ahmedabad, Gujarat, June 13, 2025. All 230 passengers and a crew of 12 were died when an Air India flight AI 171, a Boeing 787 aircraft bound for London, crashed at 1:39 p.m. a few seconds after taking off near BG Medical College Hostel. There were 169 Indians, 53 British, 7 Portuguese and 1 Canadian. Many students and doctors from BG Medical College also died in the accident. There was a huge fire and black smoke after the crash. The hostel building was badly damaged. Parts of the plane and the luggage of passengers were scattered over there. The bodies were burnt in the fire. Dead bodies were identified by their relatives through DNA testing. Only one passenger, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, survived by jumping from the emergency exit. According to eyewitness, the plane began to lose altitude soon after taking off. Suddenly it hit the hostel building with a loud bang and split into two parts, bursting into flames. Emergency rescue teams arrived quickly. The airport officials said that 2 engines of the airplane failed soon after taking off. However, the true reason for the accident will only be found after a detailed inquiry and study of the black box of the plane. The Tata Group of Air India announced 1 crore compensation for the families of each person died. The Chief Minister of Gujarat and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the site and consoled the relatives of the victims. May their souls rest in peace, and we hope this tragic accident does not happen again. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.